If you've been trying to showcase your Facebook page right inside your WordPress site, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through a simple and updated 2025 method to embed your Facebook page directly into any part of your WordPress website. No coding, no confusion. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Safari, anything you like, and log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the option that lets you edit your site. It's usually labeled Edit Site or Site Editor. Click that, and your WordPress website builder will open. Now, at the top of the editor, you'll see a plus icon, the block inserter. Click on that. A search bar will pop up where you can browse different content blocks. In the search field, type Facebook. You should see a block called Facebook Embed or something similar. Click it or drag and drop it onto the section of your page where you want your Facebook page to appear. As soon as the block is placed, you'll see a field asking for a Facebook URL. Open a new tab, go to your Facebook page, and copy the page link from the address bar. Paste that link into the field back in WordPress. After pasting the URL, click the Embed button. WordPress will instantly load a preview of your Facebook page right on your site. You can reposition it or adjust the block just like any other WordPress element. Once it looks good, hit Update or Publish to save your changes, and that's it. Your Facebook page is now fully embedded and visible on your WordPress site. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more fast WordPress tips and digital growth hacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help.